Hi, welcome to Rouzati Rugs. Have you noticed some small threads coming off of the surface of your rug? Don't panic, here is a short video on rug sprouting. One of the materials that is used in rug making is hand-spun wool. When you hand-spin wool, you're literally twisting the raw material with one hand and you're spinning it onto a wheel in another. That is how yarn is made. This yarn is used to make the beautiful designs that you see on the rugs that you purchase. Hand-spun wool rugs experience something called rug sprouting. Sprouting is a very normal part of the break-in process due to the nature of hand-spun wool, and it will look like threads are coming out of the surface of your rug. If sprouting is occurring in your rug, don't worry, your rug is not falling apart. Simply get a good sharp pair of scissors and cut the excess wool that you see on the top of the pile and make it even with the surface. Then when you're done, vacuum the leftover wool on the pile. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please like, share it, and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Rouzati Rugs.